Hi, always Tony down at MV Augusta London, KTM London. In the store today is a security device that is diamond rated. It is the all new HIPLOCK, and this is it. It's been tested. It took them 9 minutes to try and cut through with a angle grinder, and they gave up basically. And you have to cut through both sides because, as you can see, it has got a square end, so when it goes into the lock itself you can't twist it. So 9 minutes on one side and obviously 9 minutes on the other side, and that's after they gave up. So it's a diamond security rated. From an insurance point of view, you get 3 keys with it. They are in soon. If you want one, give us a call, 0204 585 9776, and you could obviously put them through your wheel or rear wheel, time to a post, but they are absolutely solid. So you'd stick them through. It's nice. It's coated, so you would obviously protect the wheel itself. And then you just clamp it up. And it's got a nice rubber seal there to protect it against the rain, just like that. So that is the new to the market, or newest to the market, the HIPLOCK. As I say, give us a call, 0204 585 9776. Thanks very much.